Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí ìgbàgede ẹ̀kọ́ ti òní. Welcome to today's class. Àkórí ẹ̀kọ́ tòní ni òǹkà. We'll be looking at numbers in Yoruba, that is Yoruba numerals. That's what we'll be looking at today. Òǹkà ní ọ̀nà tí àwọn Yorùbá ń gbà ka nǹkan láti fi mọ èyí tí nǹkan jẹ́. That is, numbers are ways Yorubas use to know the amount of something. So it's very easy. Let's go in. 1 ọ̀kan, 2 èjì, 3 ẹ̀ta, 4 ẹ̀rin, 5 àrún. These are the first numbers. So let's go to the second batch. 6 ẹ̀fà, 7 èje, 8 ẹ̀jọ, 9 ẹ̀sán, 10 ẹ̀wá. Now you can see 1 to 10 is very easy. Very easy. So let's go to the other batch. Now look at this. 10 plus 1, that is 11 ọ̀kànlá, 12 èjìlá, 13 ẹ̀tàlá, 14 ẹ̀rìnlá. Now look at 15. 20 minus 5 will give you 15. Àrúndínlógún. Do you get it? Àrúndínlógún, not àrúnlá. You understand? And that goes for 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It's going to be minus in descending order. Ẹ̀rìndínlógún, 17 ẹ̀tàdínlógún, 18 èjìdínlógún, 19 ọ̀kàndínlógún, 20 ogún. 20 is ogún, that is 20. So this is where we'll be stopping. In our next class we'll continue and we'll take it to 100. Bye.